guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second episode of me trying out the cheapest items from Savannah. And in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you guys all the other stuff that I had ordered from Savannah, जो कि बहुत ही cheap है from each of the categories. सारे के सारे categories से मैंने कोशिश करा कि सारे के सारे categories से सबसे सस्ता and cheapest items को order करके आप लोगों के सामने रखूं. So yes, with that my planning, चलो, let's quickly get started with today's video. मेरे पास बेल्ट है, बैंग्स है, पैंट्स है, ट्राउजर्स वगैरह सब कुछ है, ड्रेसेस भी है, बैग चार्म भी है. And if you haven't watched the episode 1 of me trying out the cheapest items for now, I will link it right here and description box में जरूर डाल दूंगी. Do not worry. In total मेरे पास 7 items है. So let's start with accessories. So the very first accessory जो बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो रहा है, and this is what I had ordered. So this is a very beautiful bag charm retails for just 290 rupees. And guys, सवाना पे आपको इतने सारे बैग चार्म मिल जाएंगे आप मानोगे नहीं. सो आई हैड ऑर्डर दिस वन राइट हियर. ठीक है, ये वाला बैग चार्म को मैंने ऑर्डर करा एंड बॉय इट जस्ट लुक्स सो नाइस. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैड ऑर्डर विद फॉर जस्ट 290 rupees. So let's go ahead and check out. I had ordered this color. ठीक है, ये पिंक, लाइट पिंक कलर में मैंने ऑर्डर करा and this is what I had received. So oh my god, you guys, This is what I had received. It's so beautiful. अगर आपको ये बैग चार्म के तौर पर नहीं but as a keychain आपको यूज करना है, you can absolutely go ahead and attach your keys and use it as a keychain. But अगर आपको बैग चार्म के तौर पे यूज करना है, just go ahead and do this and attach this to your bag. So this is what I had ordered. आप देख पा रहे हो कितना beautiful है. आपको सवाना पे ढेर सारे आपको options मिल जाएंगे. Let me just show you. आप देखो, you will get to see a lot of bag charms का options. So if you are looking for cute bag charms, प्लीज गो अहेड एंड सर्च इन सवाना. आपको कम से कम प्राइजेस में इतने खूबसूरत बैग चार्म्स मिल जाएंगे कि आप मानोगे नहीं. सो या, दिस इज व्हाट द फर्स्ट आइटम लुक लाइक, व्हिच इज टोटली अ स्टनिंग पीस राइट हियर. So the next accessory जो मैंने ऑर्डर करा है is this very beautiful geometric belt just for just 390 rupees. And I have seen a lot of people wearing this kind of belts here on Instagram. तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो सपना पे मुझे दिख गया and वो भी इतने कम प्राइस में. So I had ordered this and this is what I had ordered. आपको पता है होगा कि इस तरीके का belts कितना ज़्यादा popular हो रहा है. People are wearing this over जीन्स के ऊपर पहन रहे, विथ स्कर्ट्स, लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स, मैट विथ स्कर्ट के ऊपर पहन रहे. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैड ऑर्डर्ड. एज यू कैन सी, लेट्स चेक आउट कि मुझे क्या रिसीव हुआ है. आई हैड ऑर्डर दिस इन द साइज ब्राउन एंड कुछ इस तरीके का मुझे रिसीव हुआ है. ओ माई गॉड यू गाइस, just look at how beautiful this is. And ये मुझे blue stones का रिसीव हुआ है. So this is what the beautiful belt looks like. I mean, just look at how beautiful this is. The quality is just absolutely gorgeous. So मैं आपको सारी चीजें पहना के दिखा दूंगी, सब कुछ try on करके दिखा दूंगी. Do not worry. For just 390 rupees, I don't think I will ever complain because this just feels so good. Same to same. In fact, हल्का सा मैं bigger size में देखी थी on Instagram stores, but they were just asking like 2,500 rupees. But I'm like, मैं एक बेल्ट के लिए इतना पैसे क्यों खर्च करूँ? So जब मैंने इसको देखा for just 390 rupees, I obviously had to order it.
Oh my god. Look at that. It just looks so nice.
The next accessory is something that I am most excited about, and I was not hoping a lot, but boy, it just looks so nice. I got a very beautiful, cute little bag from Savannah for just 390 rupees, and it is called Solid Bucket Crossbody Bag. And this is what it looks like. Okay? It's very unusual of me to go ahead and try something like this for just 390 rupees. मुझे If you want to go ahead and dress up very quirky and very cool, just go ahead and grab something like this. आपको इस तरीके का straps भी मिल जाता है. To be really honest, मुझे तो एकदम ही कोई expectation नहीं था क्योंकि बस 390 rupees का था. So what will I even expect? But it just looks so nice. You can carry this whenever you want to look a bit more quirky, and it is not your regular crossbody bag because it's a shoe. It's Converse, inspired bag. And I mean, how cute is this? So this is what my last accessory looks like, which is again straight out of my quirky board. Now let's move on to all the clothing items जो मैंने order करा है. I have a trouser, I have a dress, and I have a skirt. So let's start with skirt, and this is what I had ordered. I was not expecting, ठीक है? जब मैं ऑर्डर करी थी ना, मुझे लगा था कि ठीक ठाक क्वालिटी का आएगा, अच्छे सिले हुए नहीं होंगे या फिर क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं होगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो डिफरेंस ही आएंगे. एंड आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉट, बट फर्स्ट एपिसोड में आप देखना, आई वाज जस्ट शॉक. So this is what I had ordered. It's a very beautiful sports skirt kind of situation, and this is what I had ordered, and I have it right here. So chalo, let's see. Bye. This tiny little thing right here just looks so cute. I'm so excited to go ahead and wear. Comes with a very beautiful white border detailing in white, and आपको इसके अंदर shorts मिल जाएगा, and shorts के यहाँ आपको छोटू सा pocket भी मिल जाएगा. So this is what it looks like. काफी प्यारा है, especially summer के लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful होगा, and आपको कोई चिंता करने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है because इसके अंदर आपको shorts attach मिल जाते हैं. So now let's go ahead and check out the other two clothing items जो मैंने order करा है, and let's start with the straight leg pants which is for 990. But जब मैं इसे order करी थी, it was just for 650 or 700 rupees, which was the cheapest of all in the trouser का category. So इसलिए मैंने इसे order करा, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, the quality! I was thinking कि ये मिक्स क्वालिटी का होगा, आधा पॉलिएस्टर या फिर पूरा पॉलिएस्टर होगा या फिर पॉलिएस्टर एंड कॉटन का मिक्स होगा, बट नो, इट इज प्योर कॉटन. इट फील्स लाइक कॉटन एंड बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है. सो oh my god, it surprised me. The material feels so damn good. Has a drawstring detailing around the waist, and आपको elastic मिल जाता है, and you get the whole trouser right here. And the very last clothing item that I had ordered is this very beautiful bodycon dress. It was for 690 rupees, but जब मैंने order करा था, it was just around 550 rupees, and you get this in 3 different colors, like color options: light blue, pink, as well as black. So I went ahead and ordered this in the color black because I just love black, and this is what it looks like. I always go for neutral and classic options. So ये मैंने order करा है, and I have this right here, and this is the very last item that I have, and oh my god. Okay, I was hoping कि ये cotton का होगा, since I do have a lot similar items from H&M जो कि प्योर कॉटन का है. इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर, बट ये प्योर कॉटन का है नहीं. आई थिंक इट्स मिक्स्ड. ठीक है, या तो ये पूरा का पूरा पॉलिएस्टर का होगा या फिर ये मिक्स्ड होगा. सो लेट्स चेक आउट अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. यस, द मटेरियल इज पॉलिएस्टर इलास्टिन. ठीक है, सो इट्स गोना बी वेरी स्ट्रेचेबल. सो आप एक साइज छोटा भी ले सकते हो अगर आपको लगता है कि यू वांट दैट fitted a look, then you can go one size smaller, but keep this in mind, this is not cotton. ठीक है, ये पूरा का पूरा polyester, and this is what it looks like. I feel like अगर मैं एक size और छोटा ली थी ना, तो ये और बेहतर fit होता. But this is what the beautiful and my last item from Savannah looks like, which was the cheapest of all. Retails for 690 rupees, but मुझे ये 550 में मिल गया था. It's long, it's beautiful, it's classic, it's basic yet so gorgeous. You can either go ahead and dress it up or dress it down. So yeah, with that, I would like to end today's video, and I hope you guys like it. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के links मैं description box में डाल दूंगी. And if you haven't watched the episode 1 of me trying out the cheapest items Savannah, do go ahead and watch that, and you are absolutely going to go ahead and love that video. And I will see you guys very, very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.